Hi there, my name is Ken. I'm a renewable energy student, passionate about science, technology, and all engineering-related topics. In this channel, I break down all the complicated concepts that might be confusing in order to help you understand how they impact and shape today's world. So if you feel interested, consider subscribing so you don't miss any video. In the last video, we've covered the powerful topic of the derivative, and we're able to find out together what is the general formula that helps us finding the derivative of any kind of function. These expressions here on the board are definitively not strange to you. They help us finding the derivative of each type of function. The first is the power function, when x is to the power of something. The second describes the product between two functions. The third is the so-called chain expression, when v, a function, is the argument of another function. The last is the trigonometric function, the sine function. Let's start. Fx equals to sine x. So I will have then the formula f prime x will be the limit when x comes to x0 of sine x minus sine x0 over x minus x0. I guess it's obvious for you what we need to do here. We need to make the factorization. In our case, we have the sine function, and I've written a wonderful, very nice formula here on the side that helps us having a factorization form of the sum of two sine functions. And this is 2 times the cosine of the half sum between the two numbers times the sine of the half difference between that numbers. And that will be in our case the limit when x comes to x0 of, I take x and x0 as a and b. Then I will be for this, I will have for this expression, I write the factorization form 2 times the cosine of x and x0 over 2 times the sine of, it's plus here, x minus x0 over 2. I divided all this by x minus x0. So then we're just going to bring this here as the denominator of sine x minus x0 over 2. It will be equal to the limit when x comes to x0 of 2 times cosine of x plus x0 over 2 times the sine of x minus x0 over 2 divided by x minus x0. It will be then equal to the limit when x comes to x0 of 2 times the cosine of x plus x0 over 2 times sine x minus x0 over 2 divided by, I'm going to multiply this here by 1.5, and also here multiply the denominator as well with 1.5, x minus x0 divided by 2, since I multiplied it with 1.5. Now, as you can see, we've here just tried to fabricate in the denominator an expression that looks like the argument that is in the sine expression on the numerator. Then here we can see when we have x that goes close to x0, this here, this quantity x minus x0 tends to go near to 0. And that represents exactly the form we have here. When x goes close to x0, we have here sine 0 over 0 when x goes to 0, and this is equals to 1. Then we can replace all this expression with 1. It means we have here 2 times the cosine of, I replace x with x0. x0 plus x0 divided by 2 times 1 times 1.5. And then I go further by making the computation. The cos 2 times the cosine of 2x0 over 2 times 1/2. This will be then equal to 2 times x0 over 2 equals to x0, and 2 times 1/2 equals to 1 cos x0. The final formula for our limit will be f prime of x equals to the derivative of sine function of sine x, which is also cosine x. So here is where it comes from. I am sure, or at least I hope, that you will be in the future more confident while using this formula, because at least you will then know where they come from. And I'm pretty happy that I could help you achieving that goal. So if you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to like to share, and also to let me know in the comment section which topic you would like me to uncover on the next videos. So see us next time.